Well, hello guys. Today episode is so exciting. I'm buzzing for you guys. I'm going to talk about how to earn online, how to find a remote work, how to relocate to Thailand and live in Phuket like I do and live my best life. Anyway, I want to introduce you to one of my friends that I met here in Thailand. So his name is Ash. He's been living and earning online for many years. So I'm gonna, he's at the back there. How's the toilet? How's the toilet?
All right.
Anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask him some questions. And so obviously if you have any other questions, you can comment below. That's not a problem, I can reply. He's also being an idiot, but hey, I hope it goes useful and I hope it's gonna motivate you to just crack on, you know, and make that first step, all right? Again, guys, I'm gonna crack on. As you know, I'm very efficient, so I'm straight to the point. Ash, welcome to my channel.
Thank you.
By the way, you need to look here.
I wasn't
Not
doing that.
Oh, all right then. So anyway, Ash, can you tell me, how do you get balls? I don't know if I even...
How do I get balls?
No, how
was
do you
born with them,
have
baby.
the ball? How do you have the balls to start your own business online? Because the whole point of this video, I'm sweating now, is to how to work online, how to earn online, you know. So please tell me.
Okay, so like for me, I felt like it was a necessity. I didn't really have to get balls. I just had a
You
good.
were born with them.
I was born with them, but I needed, you know, I had a big enough why. As cliche as that sounds, you might hear it said a lot. It's true. Like I hated my job. I was in the army. I was based in Germany for the 6 years I was in the army. I was capped in my rank. I couldn't make any more money. And after Afghanistan, I went traveling and knew that I wanted.
to Afghanistan.
Yeah, I went to Afghanistan when I was 18. And after Afghanistan, I knew that.
This is my friend, by the way, guys. So you don't mess around with me, all right?
I just knew that I had to travel more. And ever since I left the army, I've traveled, like, you know, for the last 8 years, just non-stop.
So your business now been up and running for 8 years.
Yeah, since 2013. So I actually did it as a side hustle. So I started a side hustle. I didn't like. I'm not one of these people that tell people, you know, leave your job, go all in, and then like you're left with nothing. I like the idea very
It's
much.
safe. Oh, what is
Yeah.
it? Did you order tea as well?
Yeah.
Thank you. Say hello.
Yeah.
So mate.
So I think it's important to have some kind of base level income and enough drive and enough why. You know, you do the things, you cut down the things that sabotage you in life.
Yeah.
And then you start prioritizing.
Like women and stuff like that, basically.
Anything, whatever it is to you.
Are you single, by the way?
Me, I am.
Okay. So guys, if you know, let's send me an officer. Guys, as in women and men, he's straight, by the way. And yeah, so girls, you know, let me know. By the way, the Ash details I'm going to put in description. Obviously now we're going to talk about what type of business he has and how he earned his money. So it's going to be in description, his name, Instagram, website, all the other shebang. So what is it that you actually do? Or should we keep it till later to make sure you guys stay right till the end of this video?
Yeah,
Should we do that?
you can keep it, guys.
Here you go, you're gonna have to wait until later. Okay, we're back to it. We had to have a break because I just said to Ash that I've got menopause, so he doesn't believe me. How old are you again?
29.
29. Guys, 29, young, successful individual. Anyway, next question. What do you like the most about what you do?
Oh, that's easy. Like, so we've like helped so many people. So like we've helped from charities, like, you know, like giving money to charities, helping people achieve things.
Okay,
But
well, why am I not getting any money from you? If you're helping charities but you're not helping me, how does that work?
you're not a charity.
Anyway.
But like the main thing is that like we actually help people, you know, learn how to start an online career. Like I said earlier, like it's not about just leaving your job, put balls to the wall, and be like, I'm going to do something. You kind of need to know what it is you're going to do, and you need to
Be
learn.
safe as well, right?
You need to learn skills because what got you to where you are now probably isn't going to be what's going to be getting you to where you want to be. So like,
Gotcha.
you need to have the skills in the first place. So we teach people the skills.
You help. When you say we,
Yeah,
do
me
you
and my-
talk of yourself? You're pure.
Yeah. Me and my business partner Brody, and then we've got like a team of leaders and mentors that we have. We have special experts come into our community teaching people certain skills. Whether that's
Oh
like,
my God! I think people are now really want to know exactly what you do, but we're not gonna say it yet. So okay, next question. What's your 5-year plan?
I don't have one. I've never
Not
had
at
a
all.
5-year plan. I don't really believe in this, so I know a lot of people will probably say that's stupid.
Yeah.
But a 1 year plan is good, but I don't think a 5 year plan would really
Too
suit
long,
my
too
life.
far away.
Yeah.
I might be dead in 5 years, you know, so yeah, I agree with you. It's just,
Thailand. Sure.
you're driving around my pink scooter. Okay then, right, can we talk about your income?
I don't really see the value in that.
No?
No, because
But is
like,
it enough for you to have what you want to have?
yeah, I can do
Drive a
whatever.
nice,
Yeah, I can do
flashy
whatever I
car,
want, really.
villa,
But-
you know.
Like one of the things that I'm really passionate about is like I don't like throwing income claims around the internet. I don't like people that do that in the first place. I think
Yeah.
it's deceiving and false. But like what I do care about is like, you know, the amount of people I've helped and through our trainings and to become free, whatever that is for them. You know, whether that's
Yeah.
like being able to retire their car, whether that's to be able to, you know, buy their house outright, whether that's to travel the world, whatever it is. For me, it's the ability to travel non-stop, no end date, never worry about money, and buy kind of whatever I like. I like nice villas,
Yeah.
I like nice things, but like my actual income, I mean, it's not really relevant. Like,
Okay, next question. Do you ever feel lonely?
yeah. Do you?
Okay. Christmas Day, I feel lonely. That's the only time. The rest, I love my own company, honestly.
Yeah. So like I
So
think
yeah,
I think
Christmas time.
I
And
think-
maybe Valentine's, because I'm like, oh, I want to get a present.
Yeah, I think everyone feels lonely. It's a natural thing, especially if you're working online and you do make the shift of
Yeah,
you know,
it's a lonely place.
leaving your
It could be.
community, your job. Like people have routines. When you
Yeah.
leave, especially if you travel, yeah, it's hard. You got to get out the comfort zone. You can definitely
It's a
feel
challenge
lonely.
every day. Challenge every day. It's so worth it, no?
It's
So
undescribable.
What do you love the most? If you tell me one thing that you love the most, I know freedom probably is one of them. But don't say freedom. Let's mix things up. What would you say would be the what you like the most about what you do now?
Well,
I know. I can guess helping people. Am I right? Yeah.
Of course, like
What advice, Ash, can you give to my viewers, my lovely subscribers? How do they get to where you are? What's the first step? Like, give some real, tangible, like, you know, proper advice.
you got to define what it is that you want.
Yeah.
That's the first thing.
But
Like,
I can tell you, freedom, money, travel, nice things.
you gotta just believe in yourself. Like it's cliche, I know, but like you do, because the
Boring.
thing is, everyone around you is pulling you down. Like the thing is,
Okay.
it's the truth. Like the crab in the bucket syndrome. Like you need to be
Yeah.
the one that breaks free. You need to be the one that's gonna
Like
change
me.
your generation.
Like me, guys.
Yeah, like you need to invest in high ticket skills. You need to learn new skills. I'd say that's the most important thing. You need to learn the
new
skills.
and you can help out. This is the guy. Oh my God! Do you know the most important thing? You need to tell what you actually do.
Yeah, so we teach people how to start online careers. Like we give you the skills. We have experts teaching the skills from learning how to
But
write
what
online.
so? Oh, okay. So it could be anything, right?
Like learning how to write online, learning how to sell online, learning how to talk to people, learning how to find products to promote and make commissions online,
Right.
like all sorts of things. We teach you like
Right.
the A to Z actually.
Amazing.
Like thousands.
So, if my viewer is gonna come to you to your website, and they are from this video, can they say Kica Club, and then you know you from me, and then you buy me dinner?
I'll buy you dinner.
Yeah.
All right, sure.
Deal?
Yeah, if you help some people, I'll help you.
There you go.
Get you a
All
dinner.
right, guys. So when you contact Ash and his team, details in description, say Kica Club, so then we know it's from this video, from my interview with Ash. Also tell me if you enjoyed my interview and if you want me to interview more people. Yeah, and if you found it useful, don't forget to like. It goes a long way. You know, I don't get much from making this video.
Give her a comment and subscribe if you like her stuff. She's good.
Bloody hell!
There you go. I don't plug anyone.
Drop the mic. All right.
Do it.
See you later. Mwah.